Hey guys, it's Halo here, and this is my Cortana makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a holographic thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments or requests for future makeup tutorials. And remember to click that little bell so you're always notified when new makeup tutorials are released. So I was requested to do this one about 1 or 2 years ago, and I've never played Halo, never seen anything for Halo or anything related to it. Only things I've seen are people dressed up as the mech dude from Halo at cosplay. Like cosplay events, not at cosplay. Cosplaying as the dude from Halo. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Took me about 2.5 hours. Precisely 2.5 hours to do. It took me like 20 minutes to do the all of the skin, like the light blue skin tone, which was really good. Usually it takes me like an hour to do that. I know the skin tone is a bit off. I don't have blue contacts in, but my eyes just hate the blue contacts, and I think they may be close to expiring anyway, so I can't actually use any of my contacts anymore, which is really sad. So yeah, you just get this version of Cortana.